Alright guys, welcome back. This was the 2195 tile. Ended up stopped growing a week or two back, and been meaning to cut it up, just been real busy. It's beyond the point now where it's kind of gushing and nasty, so we got to get it out of the patch. So we'll get into cutting it up and seeing what we got. So we have opened up the fruit, taped at 424 pounds, and ended up weighing 532 pounds, so that puts it at 25% heavy to chart. Blossom end is 7+ inches thick. Top of the fruit was right at 12 inches thick, and shoulders was 11 inches thick. So definitely was heavy, very minimum cavity. Looking at the seeds, not many good ones. That one did germinate, it looks like, so can't tell if that's a germinate or if that's just a, yeah, it's got roots, so that did germinate. So I may test germinate some seeds. Rough part about it is the fruit didn't do a whole lot. So was it a bad seed? Was it the hookup on the secondary? Don't know. I'll probably see if there's any decent seeds, a good handful or two of decent seeds, and maybe play with it for 150 for next year. But yeah, 2195 tile, definitely got the heavy boulder genes in it. This one I did pollinate with the 2493 Wolf. So we'll see how that one turns out, and then you can kind of see what the father lineage does. But definitely recommend, if you want to grow heavy, hit Jeff up for one of those 2195s. So I'm going to walk you through at the Kentucky State Fair. I'm going to do a voiceover here. Really good turnout on the pumpkins and watermelons. Top 3 pumpkins will be shown here. Top 4 actually right there, the beautiful orange one. Got the watermelons, a couple of regular sized watermelons, and then you have the big gales there. Kentucky always does a really great job, the growers, at bringing some of their best to the Kentucky Weigh Off. I ended up winning with 1,270.4 pounds. It meant a lot that my daughter Elena was there to share the time with me. And a huge congratulations to all the growers who made it to a scale.